Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Master. Since this is very first chapter of Urdu Master and we are only beginning to learn Urdu language, so let me tell you, Urdu have only 3 basic vowels, but believe me, they work really better than 5 basic vowels of English. And these 3 are Alif, Waw and Ye. So let's proceed to our first lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn our first character, Alif. Alif sounds like English letter A. When we pronounce these, we associate a word with every letter. That's how we make them more clear to you. So let's pronounce Alif, Anar. Repeat it once more. Alif, Anar. Okay, now I think you have got it. Let's proceed to how we write them on paper. Most easy and convenient way to write Alif is just draw a straight line from up to down. Second way is also simple. Start from going up and returning down. End with a curve time. Let's try one more time with the first. Just draw a simple line from up to down. This time it is even better than the previous one. Let's try curved elf once more. It looks weird. Now you can see tiny line above Alif. It is called Mad. It simply doubles the sound of Alif. For example, there are 2 A's. Now how do it sounds? Let's try. Alif, Mad, Ah. It sounds Ah. Alif, Mad, Ah. Ah. Okay, let's pronounce Alif, Am. Alif, Am. One second. Alif, Am. Now let's try writing. First, write Alif, then place Mad above it. Once more, write Alif and place Mad above it. Try it a couple of times so you get good practice. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment them below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button.